Welcome to week 197 of my Iris Street renovation. This week, I hook up this new 28-port gigabit Ethernet switch, and I continue on with the garage woodshop remodel. On Wednesday, some networking goodies from Amazon have arrived. My current D-Link switch is about 4 years old and has been on the fritz, so I'm replacing it with this 28-port gigabit switch by TP-Link. This switch has power over Ethernet on 24 of the ports, which can power low-voltage devices like security cams and wireless access points. This switch is rack mountable in case I ever want to buy an enclosure, and most importantly, has enough ports to support all the Cat 8 runs in my home. I should have about 10 extra ports for things like my Plex server, my Mac Mini server, and a network printer. After adding plugs to some of the unwired Ethernet lines, I plug everything in and test the connections. So far, so good. On Friday, I rent a truck from Home Depot to get all the dimensional lumber for the garage remodel. I need pressure-treated 2x4s for the base plates and 2x10s for the vertical members. Because my garage ceiling is around 9 feet, standard 8-foot 2x4s would be too short. I start Saturday by removing the old man door on the east wall since I still have room in my bagster. Removing the door was a snap, but removing the jambs was actually quite a bit of work. The jambs were almost 2 inches thick and had, no joke, almost 50 masonry nails in each jamb. I don't know if that was standard practice in 1957, but that frame was built like a tank. On Sunday, I'm greeted by the best kitty cat in the whole neighborhood. Her name is Tina, but I call her Tuxedo Cat. Legend says that when she comes by you for pets, you'll have 8 days of good luck, so I should probably buy some lottery tickets. Back in the garage, I'm reorganizing some timber so I can start nailing down the first base plates. As always, I use pressure-treated lumber with construction adhesive and anchor bolts. This stack of plywood always gets in the way, and for the zillionth time I move it again, this time to the sunroom. With the south wall clear, I install another row of base plates. On Monday, I install the first board on top of the east wall base plates. Before I can nail it down, I have to drill holes so it will clear the base plate anchor bolts. On Tuesday, I install the rest of the second layer of wood on top of the base plates of the south and west walls. That's a wrap for week 197. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy renovating.